In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your past activities on Facebook. So that's your comments, your likes, everything, your search history and everything. I'm going to show you how you can delete everything from Facebook. Let me show you guys how you can do that. So you hop on your profile here and then you move to the three dots. You can find this on a mobile phone too as well, whether iOS or Android. Now let's move to our activity log. Yes, so here we find all our activities here. So if you have live videos, you find everything here. Videos you've searched for, everything here. So if you want to comment, if you want to delete all your comments here, you just tap on this here. Good, and you can see these are all comments that I've been sending on my Facebook profile. Now you select all of them and then you remove them. Good, so here you enter your password and you're good to go. I'm not going to do that. So now let's come back here and you can do the same for likes, videos you've liked. Good, pages and everything. You can unlike all of them at once, so you can choose them all and then you can remove them by entering your password as well. So that's it. Now let me come back again. Good, so you can see your group posts. If you have posts in different groups, you can remove all of them at once. You can select all of them. So for this one, you have to select them one by one. So this is activities in groups. So your posts, your comments and everything, you can remove them one by one. So that's it on how you can remove your comments, your likes, your activities, things you follow on Facebook. That's how you can do all that. So if you are new here, do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And I have a lot of tutorials on Facebook. You can hop on my channel and then check them all out. That's it. Peace.